Hello everybody, my name is Mohammed Mahdi and here's the Dumgenius channel, and today I saw something interesting at Pinterest. I speak about this video, and if you wanna watch that, you can check the description. I put the link at there, and I don't know I could or not, but let's go and make it. Come with me. At first we need this, and nothing else. Okay, let's go. At first we cut this. Please be careful, really careful, okay? Yeah, like that. Then do it something like this. And then another one here. Another one here. Okay, that's cool. Another one here. Okay, I wanna do this too. Yeah, that's better. Okay, that's cool. And something like this. Now I love it. You could draw anything, but I want to draw moons and star, and possible I'll draw clouds too. Moon here. Stars like this, and star like this, and cloud like this, and another star here. And another one here, and let's go for result. Oh my god, that's fascinating. Watch that. I think I made bedside lamp. Yeah, that's cool. Please try it. And that's cool. I Mwah. That's fantastic. And if you love more video like this, please like, subscribe, and put the comment for us.